What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Jira to Salesforce. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Jira and then you will see the first official website of Jira. Simply give it a click. After clicking, if you are new to Jira, you will see this type of page of signing up with your email. You can sign up with your work email and then enter your password, or you can just simply sign up with Google or Microsoft. So after signing up, you will see this page, and then at the top, you can see the option of Go to Jira. Simply click on it, and after clicking, you will be welcomed to the home page of Jira. Now from here, click on Apps. Then after that, click on Explore More Apps and then search for connector for Salesforce and Jira. Now here you will find the connector for Salesforce and Jira. Simply click on this and make sure that you have clicked on the correct extension. As you can see, this is the extension connector for Salesforce and Jira by AppFire. This is a free extension. Simply click on try it for free. And after that, click on review. After clicking on review, you can start a 30-day free trial. And after that, you have to pay a premium. Just click on start free trial and then the extension will be installed in your Jira account. After it gets installed, click on manage app. And then from here, you can manage all your applications from Jira. After coming here on the left side, as you can see the connector for Salesforce, click on it and then click on connections. After coming here, click on add connection or you can click on create. So it will create a new connection, then name your project and then select your work type like from these two, or you can add your own work type and you can manage your work types too. And after that, uh, enter some summary about the connection. After that, just select the labels and select the parent. And after that, you can choose your team and you can select a sprint. And when you are done, just simply click on create. So your new connection with the Salesforce will be created. This is how you can integrate Jira to Salesforce. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.